Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas day 10, and today I wanted to open this 12 days of beauty box that I had showed on my prior Vlogmas. It's from Trader Joe's, and it's a cute little gift for yourself or anyone for Christmas. And I had to look it up because I didn't know what it was. I thought you have to open it like starting 12 days before Christmas, but it actually starts on Christmas and ends on like January 6th, like the Three Kings Day. So it's basically 12 days starting from Christmas is the 12 days of Christmas, or the 12 days of beauty is what I think they're going for. But yeah, I had to look it up because I thought, oh, am I supposed to count 12 days before Christmas? But anyways, I was going to gift it, and I might still gift it, buy a new one as gifts, but I do want to open it up because I want to see what's in it, and I want to show you guys what's in it because, you know, what if we don't like it? So let's get into this video, Vlogmas day 10. I'm so excited. I have to look for where is number 1, and it's very tricky. Oh, here it is. It's very tricky. Okay, so number 1 is down here. So let's open. I'm going to open them all, guys, but you know, I'm going to open them in order. I don't know why. I don't know if it matters anymore, but anyways, here we go. So this, I'm really excited about this box. Okay, this is, the first one is the Brazil Nut Hair Mask. I think they put good stuff in here, you guys. It's a good present. Oh my goodness, it's like stuck with glue. Okay, so Brazil Nut Hair Mask is number 1. So that's pretty cool. It says shea butter. Ooh, I love that. Shea butter, shea butter. For deep conditioning after shampooing. I like this. And then what? Leave in your hair for 10 minutes. And then rinse. Okay, that's good. We need that. Okay, number 2. Should I sing that song like on the 12th day of Christmas? Okay, so number 2 is up here. Let's open it. Number 2. Oh my goodness. It's green for Christmas. I'm filming in my car because I want to be outside. I've been in my house all day. Neroli Bamboo Shave Cream. Ooh, I want to try that. I need to shave too. It's winter, you know, you don't shave as much. Oh, I can kind of smell it a little bit. It smells good. Wow, these gifts are good, guys. So far, so good. Glad I gifted it to myself first. And if I do gift you this, I'm sorry if you're watching this video. Click off now. Okay, number 3 is up here. This is so funny. Cute. My favorite color is yellow, if you didn't know. This is Firming Body Butter. Ooh, we love a good body butter. Made of glycolic acid. A bright clementine scent. Vitamin C. Ooh, we like that. It's supposed to make you happy. Okay, I can't really smell it. I want to open it. Oh my God, it smells good. It smells like those, it does smell like clementine, like little cuties or something that you get. Firming body butter. Okay, definitely going to use all those things so far. Where's number 4? Number 4 is up here. They're not really in order, guys. You have to kind of like find them. Number 4 up here. Good thing I don't have nails because they would go flying right now. This one is, what is this? Is this a lip balm or something? Gingerbread Cookie Moisturizing Lip Balm. How cute! Oh my God, 'tis the season of gingerbread. Wow. It smells like a cookie. Should I put it on? My lips are really dry. It feels good too. Okay, very cute. We like that. Okay, number 5 is down here. It's hard to open this towards the camera. Okay, I thought I was filming what I wasn't, but number 5 was cake batter. And it smells just like cake. And it's this thick, creamy body butter. And it's very, very lovely. And it does smell like cake and flour and dough and loveliness. So, okay, number 6 is right here. Let's get into number 6. What is this? Daily Facial Sunscreen. Oh, I needed that. I'm so glad this is in here because I really needed that. And I didn't know if I was going to like theirs. Broad Spectrum SPF 40. So we do need to put sunscreen on our face. I want to see if it has a scent. It doesn't have too much of a scent, which is good. You don't want like something too strong on your face, but I have to actually use it on my face to see. Just touch my nose, but yeah. It looks good. I needed that too. So I will try that. Daily Facial Sunscreen. Lovely. Okay. Number 7 is up here. And it's this one. And it's a brown sugar carob lip scrub. Wow. We all need a good lip scrub. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like, if you can see. There, you can kind of see. It smells good. But yeah, it looks really rich and scrubby and sugary and lovely. Carob lip scrub, brown sugar carob. We like that. We like that. And it is the season, winter season. We take care of our skin, our lips. This box is perfect so far. Where are we? Day 7? Wait, I opened, oh, I guess I accidentally opened 7. Or was I on 7? I was on 7. Okay, 8, number 8. I'm losing track here. Number 8. Oh, number 8 fell on the floor. Okay, we're back. Number 8 is a Yuzu Bath Fizzer. Oh my God, I will definitely use this because I love taking baths. That's so cute. I don't know what Yuzu is. It smells good. I can't tell what it smells like. Citrusy kind of? It smells good, whatever it is. But it's very lovely if you want to take a bath. These are all very great products so far. You know what? I am shocked and surprised and very happy with them so far. Because I thought it was just going to be like random stuff that I wouldn't use, but I would use all of them so far. Here's number 9. What is this, a biscotti? What the heck is this? Looks like some sort of sugar scrub or something. Lavender bath salts. Oh my goodness. I love bath salts and I love lavender. Look at that. Wow. That's going to smell real nice in the bath. Oh my goodness. This is fun. Okay. So another fun piece in the collection. Okay. Number 10 is over here. Number 10, guys. What is this? What is this? Oh my God, leave it to me to shoot in the car. Trader Joe's Sweet Nectarine Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Oh my goodness. Gosh, all the fruits I love, all the things I love. I definitely love hand cream. I have some in the car right now. But this smells good. Okay, let's put some of this on too. Okay, this is all very lovely. So I think I showed you, but it looks like that. And you can put it on your hands and your wrists. Don't forget the wrists. And it's gonna smell delicious. Oh, beautiful. Okay, next one is day 11. Oh my God, we're getting to the end. I don't want it to end. This is 11 up here. Okay, 11. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's tiny. I keep thinking it's like food. I'm like, is it candy? It's not candy, it's not a biscotti. What is this? Exfoliating Sugar Scrub Cube. What? Oh my goodness. Are these products that they have like in the store full size? Because some of them seem like they're just for the holiday or just for this box. You know what? I don't know. I thought I did see sunscreen there though. Okay. The face sunscreen I thought I saw the other day. Sugar scrub cube. Yes. Don't eat it, guys. Exfoliate with it, okay? I can't smell because all I smell is the nectarine on my hands. Oh my goodness. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything, but it smells good, like fresh. I love that, and I will definitely use that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Number 12. Number 12, the last one, 12 Days of Beauty. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me whatever this is. What is it, guys? Rice Polish Cleanser Powder. What? Wait, what do you do with that? Rice Polish Cleanser Powder. Rice polish. Okay, I don't know what this is. Do you clean your face with that? All right, comment down below. Let me know what Rice Polish Cleanser Powder is. And thank you very much for, if you guys know what that is. Otherwise, everything was really cool in here. And also comment down below if, you know, you want me to, you're one of my friends or family and you want this as your Christmas gift. Oh my gosh. Or maybe I should do a giveaway, huh? That would be fun. Okay, I loved everything in here. I hope that this helps you guys if you're trying to gift someone for the holiday season. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful unboxing, basically, of all the fun stuff in the 12 Days of Beauty. So cute. Everything was so cute. I loved everything. It's so useful. It's not like random little things that you wouldn't use. I would actually use all these products, except for I don't know what this is for, but once I find out what it's for, oh my god, I'm sure I'll use it. Okay, but yeah, it's things that I would definitely use. I don't think there's a piece in here that I wouldn't use, so that's pretty awesome. And yeah, I loved all of it. So Trader Joe's, you did a good job. I'm not sponsored, but I do love them. They do also feed me daily. Okay, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas day 10. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.